Alrighty, so welcome to 3:30 a.m. at Flota's Cemetery. Another game made by Davemicrowavegames, it says right here. And it's created, and actually that's, what the hell am I saying? I'm sorry. I'm losing my mind today. Anyways, so yes, this is a sequel from 3 a.m. at the Krusty Krab. And, it was one of the games that was removed from my channel. You guys know the story. I said back in my 3 a.m. at the Krusty Krab video, so yeah, and just looking at behind Mr. Krabs right now, what we got, we're gonna be dealing with like a lot of characters here. So yeah, let's go and hit new game and get started. I'm gonna try to do a Mr. Krabs voice act as well when I start playing these games again. Flota's Cemetery. I heard there'd be treasure buried in some of these graves. You know, I'm in no hurry to return home. The Hashling and Slasher fellow fell behind. There's no way he'll ever catch up. I think now is the perfect time to go grave robbing. Okay. So yep, here we are in the game. Press tab to view objective. This to-do list. Dig up Smitty Warbenman. Wait. Smitty Warbenman Jensen's grave?
He was #1!
Dig up Wally the Walrus grave. Dig up Captain Stupid's grave. Dig up Mr. Puff's grave. Plunder all the mausoleums and leave the cemetery. Okay. So this is the game here. Whoa. Whoa, hold up a minute. I can see someone. Okay. I'm not even sure who that was, but I just saw. Oh god, dude, is that the Flying Dutchman? Oh hell no, I'm not going over there. I'm going this way. You guys might be able to see. You guys might be able to see my mouse cursor and stuff as I'm playing the game, but I can't see it on my screen. Just gonna go over here. What's this? Here lies Mr. Puff. I'm digging. Oh god! Oh my god! Whoa! The Hashling and Slasher's back! The Hashling and Slasher's back! No! Get away! Get away! You don't see anything, sir! Get away! Where's the exit? There you go! Clear. Oh! He's a Flying Dutchman! He beat a Flying Dutchman! Hi! Oh my god, okay, the Flying Dutchman made by Davemicrowavegames is really scary right now. Oh god, there was a Hashling Slasher over there. Oh god, little snail. But that's not really scary, I don't think. Oh god, whoa, what's going on my keyboard? What the frick is going on? I don't know who appeared. What is this? Oh, it's the mausoleum. Okay. Objective complete. What? Rest in peace, Mitty Hellenberg? You're not. Oh my god. Why can I not? Oh god. No, that one guy with the lantern's coming. Who is that, by the way? I feel like it's like someone I recognize, but I don't know. Oh god. What? I thought you were gone! I didn't see you! Oh my god, dude. Okay, great. We got the Flying Dutchman. We got the Hashling and Slasher. We got whoever this is. Who are you? You look kind of old. You've been chasing a Mr. Krab around.
Respect your elders! Respect my elders,
Oh god. There's
I'm the
Flying Dutchman! Yes, you're the Flying Dutchman! Oh god. Ali, 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 Ali. Ali, 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 Ali. Ali, 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 Ali. Oh god, good SpongeBob humor, dude. Oh god, okay, the flying dungeon's really chasing me now. I really gotta get away from this, dude. Oh wait, where are the other few graves? Wait, what is over there? Is that something I can go into? What is this? Again. Oh, Krabby Patty. This is like a little hiding spot, it looks. It looks. Oh god. Go over here real quick. That guy's gone. That mystical old man is gone, really. I don't even know who that is. Oh, it's just a... Oh, I can turn off my lantern. That's... What is this, a mausoleum? I think it's a mausoleum. I don't know what. Oh wait, what is this? Guys, Captain Stoop. Uh-oh. No! No! Get away from me, good sir! I should drop my lantern real quick, because I can, like, stick a little bit on the ground. Going here. My lantern. The Flying Dutchman. What is that? Man Jensen. Smitty Warbin Man Jensen. What? Ah! What just killed me? I couldn't tell what killed me. What the freak? Does anything matter when I touch a snail? Excuse me. Hey. No, I guess snow doesn't do anything. Okay, I totally see what's going on here. So if any of these enemies, like such as like the hatchling and slasher over there, sees me, then I need to run. If that one other dude sees me, I also need to run. And if the Flying Dutchman sees me, then I also need to run as well. Clearly, well, except the hatchling and slasher though, every time when I run, he doesn't really do much, I don't think. He just like chases me until I hear that poof sound. Probably too bad, I don't think. There we go. That must be. What is that? What was that? A mausoleum? That must be a mausoleum. I think. What do we got? Oh god, no! Oh god, that freaking lightning dude. Did you just see me? He just saw me! Dude! Oh god, dude. I thought the hatchling was gonna be over here. Oh! Oh god! It's a threesome over here! Keep running, keep running. Can this guy stop chasing me? Okay, wait. Anyway, actually, can I find these rocks? I can. That makes it a little easy, considering that I can hide from him a little better. Wait. Oh god! Okay, this is now becoming really unfair now. Hey guys, just chill out, please. That plane doesn't really not really faster than me. I don't know yet. This one dude's chasing me. Both guys are like chasing me. Oh god, and the hatchling and This is gonna be really an all-fair match, dude. All-fair match. All-fair match. Dude, when are they gonna lose me, dude? I'm like constantly moving back. Still not catching up to me. Alright, don't tell me. Oh, he still saw me. Dude. Oh my god. Are you... Who are you? You're like totally freaky in my eyes, dude. Really. I'm not gonna lie. You look freaky. God, dude, how long does he chase me for? I'm assuming when I take a turn, every time... Wait, what? He lost me. Good. I'm gonna go to that grave, and I'm afraid the hash thing and slasher will spawn over there. No one spots me. Don't mind me. Hey. He's behind. I'm behind him. Okay, that's like, okay, I guess that was Mr. Puff's grave I dug up. Or actually, wait, that was Captain Stupid's grave I just dug up. Wait, where's Smitty Wormerman Jensen? Because he's the one I still need to get. Alright. Yep, there's Smitty. Where was the Flying Dutchman at that time? Oh god, oh, it's the snail. Oh, jeez. Why are snails so scary to me? Oh, is that the third mausoleum? Where? Where is he? No. Don't run as fast. Oh god, dude. No, that other... Is that Old Man Jenkins? One. No one happened to see me yet. Good thing. Oh my god, dude. Okay, I don't know. I think I've collected like 3 mausoleums, so the gravestones are just the only ones I need to find that one walrus grave. Oh my god! There you are! Oh my god! Okay. No! Get away! Dude, I did not know the Flying Dutchman was like so close to me. Oh god, I need to get Smitty Wormerman Jensen's grave still. Oh god, give me a minute, Smitty. Still chasing me, dude. He's still like literally chasing me. Is there like no way to dodge the Flying Dutchman when he comes at you, dude? Dude, I can hear him getting more closer to me. Oh wait, oh he's over there. Am I so? Oh my god. Come on, drop the lantern. Maybe, I don't know, should I actually just roam with my lantern off? Because I mean, I don't think they could see me when I'm roaming. Oh, there's a snail in the way though. I don't know if that snail does anything bad. Maybe it does something, I don't know. Oh my freaking god. Oh god, dude, that one guy's like over there too. Oh my god, dude. This is like so much. Did that guy not see me? Okay, Old Man Jenkins over there. The Flying Dutchman is the only one chasing me, dude. I don't know what to do. I'm doing everything I can. The Flying Dutchman is being like a stalker. The hashtag and pressure's gone. Oh my god, dude, that... Turn off the lantern. Can't see me if my lantern's off, right? Hope he can't. He's still after me? Dude, he is... What's wrong with my game? Oh wait, what if I just run out the gate real quick? Hold on, will that stop him? Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh god, dude. I just like ran out the gate and then this guy just stopped chasing me. Thank god. Now I have to go back around this whole grave and find freaking Smitty Wormerman Jensen's grave. Wait, where's the Flying Dutchman actually? I don't see... Oh. Hope I can dig. Oh, no, I heard that. I heard a shovel. Oh my god! Dude! You guys need to leave me alone! No, screw you, you stupid snail. There he is. Oh god, yeah, I knew he was gonna see me. He's gonna see me. I'm running this way. You don't chase me at these exit right. He does. He does chase you at the exit. Okay. I was wondering if he does it far. Oh god, maybe I can just dodge him. Oh my god, dude, he's so fast. Dude, leave me alone. I left your grave the first time and then you just continued chasing me. What the freak is your problem, dude? Finally, stop chasing. Oh god, now the hatchling slasher's over there. It's okay. Maybe I clicked the. Oh god. Oh dude, that old man Jenkins is over there. Okay, right. What's my eating? Oh, he saw me. He saw me. He's chasing me. Oh dear. Yep. Okay, yep. So I digged up Mr. Puff's grave, I think. I digged up Captain Stupid's grave, and I digged up Wally's grave. Smitty's like the only grave I haven't digged up yet. I could dig up that grave if these guys could just leave me alone. Perfect timing as I said that. I'm just gonna go over here to these rocks. I'm sorry, not the rocks, the sand. I meant to say the sand. I did dig up the walrus grave, right? Yep, because it's not glowing anymore. Okay, good. So which means if they don't glow, that means I dug them up. I need to avoid the Flying Dutchman. That's the only person I need to avoid. Oh god! Why? Oh my god! Dude! I literally escaped him like 5 minutes later! Oh god. This is not turning. Is he behind me? No, no, he's not behind me. He's in front of me. I heard that howl. Oh my god. Go away. God, give me a break, dude. Gosh, the finisher's over there. Good. Okay, we're good so far. We haven't been spotted yet. Thank goodness. Oh god. Okay, you know what? I'm going into that one little. Yeah, there we go. That one little hiding spot. The Dutchman goes outside the map. Oh god. Did he just see me go in here? Smitty's grave is like right over there. I go for it. Yes, objective complete. All 7 graves have been robbed. Return to your boat and escape. Okay, good. If I just do that, if these ghosts could leave me alone. No, I'm going the other way. Going the other way, going the other way. Okay, I can see exit. Come on. That way. That way. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Come on, Mr. Krabs. Come on. Pick up the pace. Pick up the pace. Okay, they're, okay, they're not even seeing me, so I'm good. I'm good. Yes! Oh, God. Need to escape. Yes! Did I do it? Oh, my God. Dude. I escaped! Oh, my God. Okay, so, yes, that was 3:30 at Floaters, 3:30 a.m. at Floaters Cemetery. Next one I'm going to be playing is 6 a.m. at the Krusty Krab, and then maybe I might play some of the Davemicrowave games that I missed. Kind of, not around the clock. Around the clock I played around kind of when that game was released or so, and so, well, yeah, I'll play that soon. Don't worry. It's taking time with videos, and recently you guys keep on suggesting, like, different FNAF fan games to me, so, yeah, don't worry. It's taking time. So, yeah, but, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like on this video. Be awesome, stay awesome. As always, Kitty Pal, I love you. Rest in peace. I am the Game Master, and I'll see you all in the next video.